Hello, good day, peeps. This is another farm here in Aja called Nawa Farm. Presently, what we are doing, we are brooding, and this is day one of brooding. As you can see, the arrangement: feeder, drinker, feeder, drinker, and you can see the heat pot, which is the charcoal pot, is there, doing fine. Looking at all the DOC, you can see that they are very active, eating and taking water continuously. After we have given them the first treatment, which is basically to boost their immune, now they are on medication, which is antibiotic. You can see they are taking it, and you can see that they are doing fine. They are doing greatly, wonderfully, and they are very effective. You can see all of them.